morning, friends. How are you?
Fine.
How's it going? Yeah. Today I would like to tell you some tips for traveling. So as you all know, I am a traveler. So I have some tips for you that I will show you. The first thing is reduction of space. So can I?
Yes.
Yeah. I start with my clothes. So here am I usually use this type of clothes. It's very long lasting and very strong. And usually I use t-shirts. It's already so, as you know, already so weight. And I fold like this and put in the process and roll. You can see?
Oh,
Yeah.
what
Yes.
is it?
It's like you
It's
have
good.
space in the back, I think.
That's a
Yeah, it's
space,
very-
space conception of it.
Can with some space in our where it is. And also I fold jeans like this. Jeans and t-shirts, shirts, all things I fold like this. Yeah. It's easy. It's easy. Yeah. I use like this and here this and these types of things. I didn't along with me while I'm traveling. I avoid these things.
So what do? Do you feel it in another?
Yeah, if I need that things, I fill it to small containers.
Containers.
Yes,
That's good.
yeah. And this is my water bottle.
Yeah.
I use this type of plastic weightless bottles. We can reduce our expense and yeah.
It's very healthy.
And about my towel trays, I use like these small bags to put in the towel trays. I use this type of small weightless things. This space we can use for 1 week. Usually we can use this 1 week. It's very weightless. Yeah, here it is. And as we need to charge our mobile and other things, I use this type of weightless power bank, Sony power bank.
Is that Sony's?
Yeah, it's Sony's. And my chargers, I will put it on my towel bag.
Half an ambient.
Yeah.
It
RBL.
5,000.
doesn't show. That's why I was
I
checking.
doesn't care. And when I travel, I used to edit with my laptop and yeah. Also, it can be multiple purpose. We can while we travel, I can use with my headset and I can listen music and there is a lock and then I can sleep well by
Like this.
yeah like this. It's a multi-purpose product and we can simply fold like this. Yeah, here it is. I guess. And shoes, I mostly use like this. Like this type of shoes, and there is. We always use like these shoes and slippers as well.
Okay.
We can put it in my bag or put it in my bag or
But it may consume a lot
neither
of space.
we can put it in my overlug. That's upon our weather climates. Is my bag. I usually use this lightweight bag. How you can see. It's weightless. Yeah. Huh?
Nice color too.
Yeah. Thanks. Yeah, we can use this and so be it.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this gentleman in front of me is. Can you say your name?
Yeah, Faizi.
Faisal Faizi from Kannur. He is a traveler. His traveling blog's name is Travelstation. So today we're practicing English language here at Brett's English Academy here at Kochi. He is interested in traveling and talking about backpacking and all those kind of stuffs. So we gave him a task to teach us how do you usually pack your bag. We didn't go to the classroom, we made it in a real-time situation. See, Mr. Jalal is enjoying his time, his nap time. He's enjoying it. Our heroes here and two nice students as well. Thank you so much for watching us. See you later.
Thank you.
Gentlemen, all the best.
Thank
Enjoy
you.
your time.